Hi friends, today we'll be covering Kottalam 5 falls. When you compare with other waterfalls, the crowd is much less, but it's a beautiful waterfalls and beautiful sight. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining. Kuttalam is in Tenkasi district, the state of Tamil Nadu. Tenkasi is the nearest town to Kuttalam and it is just 6 kilometers from Tenkasi to Kuttalam. For staying, actually, Tenkasi is a much better option because you always get a conveyance to Kuttalam and you have more choices and rates are also reasonable. Just check the description for accommodation and other details. Tenkasi is the border town to Kerala state and it's just 1 hour drive from Tenkasi to Kerala border. I have done another video on waterfalls, the old waterfalls at Kuttalam. If you're not seen it, just check it up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and support us. We upload videos on travel, food and videos which are beneficial to you. Video about the main waterfalls is coming up soon. Keep in touch. Wish you all a happy and nice day. Keep in touch. See you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.